How to apply for Neiman Marcus Credit Card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can register or apply for Neiman Marcus Credit Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, simply search for Neiman Marcus Credit Card registration and hit enter. Then you'll find Neiman Marcus Credit Card website here. You can open that up. Now you can use the Capital One as well, or you can directly go to their website. After you're here, you'll find two options. One is sign in, the other is to set up my account. So just head over to setup. And after you head over to setup, now you can basically start creating the account. So simply type in your last name, whatever your last name is. Then you can use your social security number or ITIN. Or you can also use your bank account number as well. It's completely up to you. And then finally, your date of birth. And after you do that, you can then tap on get started and create the account. So this is the beginning of the process. After this, you'll have to do your setup using your personal information by yourself. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. And if you're new to our channel and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.